Hey guys, so today I just wanted to make a quick video before I go on vacation. I won't be able to for a couple weeks. I've been doing a lot of Shou lately, so it made me curious about other woods that I might be able to do this with. So I've done pine, I've done oak. I'll probably do another video on oak just to go a little bit more in depth about it. But today I want to try a piece of teak wood. And teak, really beautiful golden color. It's a hardwood. Shou is usually for softer woods, but I was curious to see what would happen if I tried to burn this. So with that, let's get started. So I pulled a few different pieces just so I can show the differences in the teak wood. So what we have here is just a regular piece of teak wood unfinished, a piece of teak that I've finished with some boiled linseed oil, the teak wood that you just saw me burn. It's over. And then this one that I charred a little bit more. So as you can see, it's just a progression of just getting darker. This unfinished, I just sanded it a little bit better. It looks a little bit darker than it normally would, like on the other side, just because I sprayed it with a little bit of water just to kind of clean it up and shine it up a little bit. But you can already see it's starting to dry here in the actual light color of it. But when you finish it, it gives it this really nice brown gold color. Now with this one, with the one that you just saw me do, what happens when you're trying to use the Shou technique with the teak, because it is a hardwood and it has such a tight grain structure, you really don't get that raised grain effect that you would with, like, say, pine or cypress or cedar that has much bigger, bolder, more spread out grains. But still, it darkens up fairly well, and even when you brush it off, it gives it a really nice textured look, in my opinion. Even with this one, this was a test piece that I did before, it actually holds the color really well. As you can see, like, dust it off. And this is no finish, there's no oil, just fire. You burnt it off, let it cool all the way, and it holds a nice black finish. So if you don't want to buy a stain and you want a nice dark teak, nice dark finish on your teak, fire would be a way to go. It's cheap, everyone can get a torch fairly cheaply, and it holds it really light. It did, I think, slightly curve, but I think once it cooled, it straightened back out because I don't have any bowing in there anymore. But anyways, I did this so that you guys don't have to go out and ruin your expensive wood. And let me know in the comments down below if you want to see what other woods, how other kinds of woods react to the Shou technique, just the burning with fire and then brushing off and finishing with a boiled linseed finish. If you like this video, be sure to like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And again, leave me some comments down below with some other projects you guys would like to see me do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.